Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our Royal Advantage pre-owned units. It is a 2015 GX 460 premium package, full-time four-wheel drive in the Starfire Pearl finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a one-owner, local Alberta car. Some of the features do include LED daytime running lights, headlamp washers, front and rear park assist sensors, keyless entry with the push to start ignition, headlamp washer switch, traction control heated steering wheel, power windows and locks, driver's seat memory seating, power folding side mirrors, 10-way power adjustable front seats, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, hands-free controls, an 8-inch multimedia display with navigation, a 17-speaker Mark Levinson premium surround sound audio system, heated and ventilated front seats, height adjustment control, sport and comfort mode, DAC, or downhill assist control, high 4 and low 4 four-wheel drive, sunroof, black leather interior, rear climate control with the rear heated seats, and the power folding third row. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.